Your work is not going to be for everybody. It's just not. And it shouldn't be. We don't need our messages to be for every single person. Being inclusive is different, but feeling the need to have our message resonate with every single person is really, again, just about needing approval outside of ourselves. Your job is to express what needs to come through you and then let it reach whoever it needs to reach. You don't really get to control who it reaches, not with a soul-based business at least. A lot of times, in kind of the marketing world, it's like, who's your demographic? What's the avatar? I don't really care about any of that stuff. I care about sharing what needs to come through me, and that's gonna evolve over time. And I believe that my message is gonna reach the right people at the right time.